This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are opening up beautiful PR sent from Madam Glam. Y'all, I had to put it up on the screen thrice, because this is the Holy Trinity up in here. Madam Glam has come up, or out with rather, new chrome gel paints. You already know I am obsessed with their gel paint formula because it already has a no wipe formula incorporated into it, so you do not have to top coat this. You can use it on top of matte. You can do so many fun things. And as you've seen featured on this channel, I have used the silver chrome gel paint, which is chef's kiss. But y'all, now we get to try the new ones. This was a mid-month launch. They're available now. So if you guys want to run on over and grab them before they sell out, this is the PSA time. So vintage chrome, rose chrome, and gold chrome. I always want to say rose gold because it's definitely all of the rose gold vibes. This, I cannot scream enough about this formula. I would encourage you, even though this looks amazing, I'm not just doing it for aesthetic. It's very important that you mix your gels. I did find that after it sat for like a day and then I opened them up, it almost looked like it was just silver chrome on the top. So you do have to give it like a good mixture just to get this perfect buttery consistency. But this is a one coat mama. You work thin. This is so opaque, so beautifully pigmented. Like, I cannot get over. I already thought like the silver chrome was the business. But now this, like the quad, the 4 of these chrome gel paints, they are out of this world, y'all. Though you can see it's breathtaking on the screen, when you guys get to look at this with your naked eye, you are going to lose it. This is all of the magic. I'm also going to be doing designs individually with each one of these. As soon as I finish swatching, we are going to move into the demo with the designs and the brand new House of Nourish, because I think Madam Glam wasn't playing around. These two are a pair. House of Nourish and these stunning chrome gels. It's just, it brings a tear to my eye. Like, it is just all of the things. So these gorgeous gel paints, they retail for $26.95. And if you were a VIP, you can get these for a whopping, it's not a whopping, y'all. It's tiny, teeny tiny. $11.66, which I think is incredibly affordable. That is basically one polish of theirs if you're a VIP. And the amount of manicures you can get with these beautiful pots, like, this is just the gift that keeps on giving, y'all. I would almost get 2 of each because these are just, whew, these are the showstoppers in your collection. This rose gold stole my heart. I could not get over, like, in person, the blush. It was like champagne notes and just this rosy, rosy blush. It is so beautiful. Royal family. Recently, actually, I just watched a movie called Red, White, and Royal Blue on Amazon Prime about a royal prince and the president's son, and it's like a romance. And oh my goodness, this has me having the wedding bells and all of the royal up in here with this rose gold. This, and can y'all see this? As I swipe, just with the perfect amount so you're not overloading your brush, the product just hugs. You do not get any lines, streaks. Like, the finish is so beautiful. And if you'd like, you can seal this with a top coat if you just want that extra scratch resistance. But the formula allows that you don't have to if you don't want to, because it already has a no wipe built into it. So these are such a steal of a deal. And again, y'all, for all of your nail art, this will become a game changer. The simplest mani you do some beautiful line work with this, some squiggles, some swirls, and it becomes editorial. We're talking fashion, mama. So next up is the gold chrome, which this was crushed up liquid gold. Like this made me want to put my pinky on my mouth and mini me, because this is like all of the gold put into this little pot. I cannot get over. And this is like the theme of the video. You were just going to hear me squeal because this is like, how is this real life? This is just all of the surreal moment. Staring at this, my heart was just pounding out of my chest, and I was like, I want to do all of the designs. So make sure, if you are not already, that you are subscribed and you have that notification bell on, because there is going to be tons of content. And something that I just danced over because I was so excited about these chrome gel paints, they also sent the Into the Nude limited edition 3 gel system, well, not system, but 3 gels that are so beautiful, different shades of nudes, and we are going to unbox that in the next video, play around with all of the goodies, and then of course we are going to put some chrome on there because this is just too good. I have all of the inspiration going on right now. But do you see how that glides? And we're using their application brush from Madam Glam, and I just can't get over. And as you can see, I have a little bit of extra product on the brush, so you can see where you're getting those lines, but I quickly just dry my brush off and continue. And that finish, I can't talk about that finish enough. It is drop dead gorgeous. As if this swatching was not a PSA already, run on over to madamglam.com and grab these before they sell out, y'all. The very first time they brought their silver chrome, I was not able to get it, and I had to wait a few months before it came back, and I was so sad. I clicked that notify me, and I kept checking. But their silver chrome paint, gel paint, it won the Nail Pro Reader Choice Award in 2022, and it's nominated again, y'all. And I can guarantee you these others are going to get nominated as well. Do you see the glow on these? Like, I feel like I went into the mine and I was mining and I found all of the gold, the rose gold, and that vintage silver chrome. These are so delicate, so beautiful. And right now, without further ado, we are going to put these on the House of Nourish. We are going to go through each one of these gel pots, and we are going to put them on a different House of Nourish background so you can truly see how these shine. So off camera, I quickly swatched Aurora, Shining Star, and Set in Stone from the House of Nourish collection, and I wanted to take each swatch and just try and, like, first of all, pair a different chrome to each color, but also see how, like, this is why I was talking about that they were made for one another. Now, if you had a night out on the town and you could not faff about with some complicated nail art, no faffing required. You just use one of these stone bases, and then you do some swirls with this gorgeous, we're starting off with the gold chrome. Oh, that's all you need. It's timeless. It is so beautiful. And somebody is going to think rich bish vibes. We're going to say bish and not the other one, but you know what I'm saying. This gives the CEO all of the just, the regal. I cannot get over how these colors pair together. And this is again when I was saying the kings and queens that were cooking up in the Madam Glam factory, definitely, because this was the mid-launch right after the month launch for the House of Nourish. So I feel like these were definitely paired because they work so well together. So right now that gold chrome is going on top of Aurora, and with the light, like there is a delicate jade, just like this really beautiful soft green in this milky formula. And with the gold pop, this is just everything. I can't scream enough how these were made for one another. And the way this soft green pairs with this gold, y'all, we winning. I also wanted to see, like, doing little dots. Just, first of all, with any kind of gel paint, you have to be careful with putting too much product because since it is so opaque, you get wrinkling. But I am so impressed with this formula. I did push the boundaries here, and some parts of these swirls did have a lot of product, and it cured perfectly with not a wrinkle in sight. And look at these homemade caviar beads that I just so effortlessly created, okay? I'm losing it, y'all. Again, Madam Glam, if I didn't believe in magic, you have made me believe in magic again. These are revolutionary products, y'all. And this will step up anyone's nail art game, whether you're a beginner or you're a seasoned pro. You will fall in love with these chromes. I feel like this is like a dating show. So the next pair we have are Set in Stone and the Rose Chrome. Now, I thought these would be like a pair, a match made in heaven, and I was right. The darling blush notes of this rose chrome with the stone, this stone polish, it was just sublime. Like, it gave me everything I was looking for. Like, this is giving. Oh my goodness. This is what I'm talking about. Like, if you're in a rush, you just gotta, that's okay. You put on the House of Nourished Stone effect polishes, and you could use one of each, even. And then pop yourself some swirlies with these girlies, you're good to go. Like, everyone will be asking, like, oh, who is your nail artist? Like, how much did you pay for those? And then you get to just smile and you say, my nail artist is me. Because Madam Glam empowers you and brings out the diva and the creative goddess. And with these gels, whew, they're doing all the heavy lifting up in here. You just have to have good tools. I am currently using a Nicole J brush, which this was like an investment for the golds. I need to get more of her brushes. The way they glide with proper like salon quality products, even products that are not salon quality, like this brush will be showing out. But the way, like when you're using a premium product, that it just glides effortlessly on the nail. It's insane. I even took the teensiest, tiniest bit of product here just to show you it doesn't matter how thin your lines are, how thick your lines are. This chrome gel paint is just so beautiful. And last, but certainly not least, we have Shining Star paired with the Vintage Chrome. Now, I love the Vintage Chrome is a silver, but it's like a dusty, dusty silver. It is so beautiful, rustic. Oh my gosh. And when I paired it with this color, because the Shining Star is a darker note, it just, again, it shone. Like I could not, this entire time, my jaw, it was definitely all of the joffs. My jaw was on the floor. I had to keep picking it up. Okay, at this point, we're collecting flies and all the dust. Speaking of dust, oh my gosh, there's been particulates and all sorts of ash and smoke in the air. Actually, this is on a very serious note due to the fires in Kelowna. In BC, forest fires are very serious, and it definitely happens annually. And I am just new to BC and getting used to all of the beauty of the forest and mountains and ocean. But with all of that beauty comes real risk. Like, we are currently in a drought, and with the intense, like, we've been experiencing a heat wave and heat brush all of that forest comes the danger of forest fires. So please keep your prayers out for all of the families that are affected here. We have been keeping up all the information on the road closures, but forest fires are incredibly dangerous, and we just pray that everything gets under control, and all of the men and women that are, literally putting their lives on the line for us, like, we just can't thank them enough. And I pray that everybody comes home safe and that they can really get this fire under control. So again, please, yes, I ask if you could please put some prayers out there. That would just mean the world. And I hope that I have added some sunshine to your day with these gorgeous chrome gels that are brand new from Madam Glam. I will include the discount codes in the description box below, that if you're not a VIP, you can still save 30% off. Oh my goodness, y'all. I can't thank you enough for coming in. Sorry, that voice note cut out for no reason. Thank you so much for coming in today's video. You have made my day. I pray wherever in the world this video found you, it found you so well. And if I inspired you to try these gorgeous chrome gel paints, please comment down below. I cannot wait to see all of the magic you guys create with them. And if you put that notification bell on, you are going to see all of the stunning, I have some really fun content planned with these chrome gel paints. And also, the next video is going to be the unboxing of the Into the Nude limited edition box. There is a sale going on for that box, by the way. So I am going to give you all the information on that baddie in the next video. Mwah. Thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.